300 million cows. Guy was making a point saying that McDonald's serves about 6.5 million burgers a day, and there's 300 million cows in the United States or in the world that is strictly farmed to be made into meat. And he's saying that the math isn't working because how is McDonald's, one chain restaurant, serving 6.5 million burgers a day, and there's 300 million cows worldwide? Wouldn't they run out of cows, or are they filling in this meat with other things? And you start talking about funeral homes, and you could see where he was alluding to with that. And me as an analyst, I had to do the math. So I had to look it up, and this is all based off of Google, and it could be wrong, but this is where I'm citing the things. It said that one cow can produce 2,000 burgers. That's a lot of burgers for one cow. It's not like one cow makes one burger. That's ridiculous. That'd be a giant ass burger. So if we get McDonald's number, 6.5 million burgers a day, divided by 2,000, which is about one cow, right? We get 3,250 cows a day that McDonald's would need to produce 6.5 million burgers to serve their customers daily. And now, so 3,250, right? Per day. So if we divide 300 million, which is what the estimate is for how many cows are on the world globally that are ready to be distributed as meat, divided by the daily total number of cows McDonald's needs, we need at least this number to be 365. And that means McDonald's would use all the cows that's available just for their burgers. But this number is much larger than 365. It would be 92,307 days worth of food that McDonald's would have if the meat was just for them. So this is the number of cows that McDonald's needs every year to serve their customers 6.5 million burgers daily. So this is the annual total of cows that McDonald's needs to serve the customers, again, 6.5 million burgers daily. Just one chain restaurant, right? So if we take away that number, 300 million minus the number that McDonald's needs just for their restaurant to serve the number of burgers they need, we still have this many cows left over per year for every other chain restaurant, for every other kind of meat distribution, because they also sell it at restaurants, at markets, wherever that they serve beef, right? This is a lot. These are a lot of cows. So at first, sorry, I had to get rid of it. So at first I was listening to the guy and I was like, yeah, you know what? I don't know the cow meat math. Now I do, kind of, a little bit. So yeah, it kind of made sense what he was alluding to. But I know people just do things for clicks, or maybe he genuinely thought this was the case. But I need to do a little deeper dive because I'm an analyst. This is what I like to do for fun. So yeah, there's plenty of meat to go around for everyone. And not that I wouldn't put it past a company to cut corners by filling in their meat with other additives or other kind of processed things. But there's plenty of meat to go around now that I did the math. And these are all estimates, so it could be off, but it seems like there's a large room for a margin of error, because look how many cows there were left over after McDonald's used the meat that they need for 1 year. It's not even 1% of the total number of cows is what McDonald's uses. So just to put it into that terms. Yeah. So I don't think, it could be that McDonald's uses other kinds of things to fill in their meat, but I think that there's plenty of beef, so I think that they use the beef. That's just my opinion. I did the math. If I'm wrong, please let me know, prove me wrong, and I'll be happy to admit that I was wrong.